Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Iris and I'm just a little crafty. So on today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to do a string art. If you don't know what that means, string art is just basically making designs from string on a nail on a piece of board. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but it's really very simple and very easy. You just need a few materials. So first thing you're gonna need is wood. I found a really nice piece of wood in my local Michael's.
I'll choose this piece because it kind of looks like it has a little bit of framing, and I wanted that to look like a picture. And it's nice and soft. It just needs a little bit of sanding. Also, it's not too thick or too thin. Next step, make sure you sand your piece just to get it nice and smooth. Next step is choosing a base color depending on what kind of design you're gonna put. This is like the background color for your designs. Next step is picking your design. If you're first time, try not to put something so elaborate that you can do it really easily, maybe just one or two colors, or you can do whatever you like. Next step that I think is very important is choosing the right nail, because like I said, if your board is too thick or too thin, it might not really well go all the way, or it might go too deep. You just gotta choose the right nail. Next step, you're gonna grab your hammer, and with all your nails, you're gonna nail all along the outline of your design to basically get the shape of your drawing. While I was hammering, I was measuring about one thickness of my finger between each nail. As a handy reminder, make sure to take a picture before you remove the paper, just so you know where the lines are, so you don't get confused. Next is choosing the right thread. The embroidery thread is much better in my opinion because the yarn is way too thick and it will definitely not fit through the nails as easily as compared to the embroidery thread, which is much thinner and works way better. So you're gonna make a little knot here and you're gonna put it on the top nail and tie it real good and maybe even give it a second knot and cut the edges or hide the edges. Then you're gonna go all around the border as if you're marking the outline, and then you're just gonna go back and forth, covering as in coloring in with thread.
You're kidding me. Oh my god.
If you're having trouble and you don't have a thread needle, the tip of a pen can be very useful in this situation. Get better. It just takes a little practice. It even helps me keep my place when I get an unexpected call. To be honest, I don't really have a method. I just wrap it around each nail until I'm satisfied and then I tie it off. For the next and every other color that follows, you're gonna do the exact same thing. You're gonna make a knot on the very top nail and you're gonna wrap it around every single nail until you're satisfied with the amount of thread you want per color. And here it is, the finished project, all dry and all done. I hope you really like it and I hope you try one for yourself.